Welcome to Katie's DIY Corner. Today we will be making the viral winter tree candle. People found these at TJ Maxx and Aldi's and maybe even Home Goods. We are going to try and recreate it with our own soy wax and winter candles. I started looking for a bowl at TJ Maxx. When looking throughout the bowls, this one was $50. There was no way I was going to spend that for a wooden bowl. And then around the corner, there was one for, I believe, $14.99, which I didn't mind. It was the shape I wanted, but I just didn't know if I liked the green or not. I kind of did, and then I kind of didn't. In their candle section, they didn't have any winter tree candles except for this one, which doesn't look like what people were trying to make or buy, but it was there, along with all the other many candles they had for Christmas and then ramping up for Valentine's Day. This is the wooden bowl I went with. It was $12.99 from TJ Maxx. It's going to be a gift for somebody, so I wanted to make sure all of the pricing and everything was off of it. To make the candle, I just started to thread through the wick through the metal clips and then wanted to see how high I needed to make it for each one. And then you just pinch the top of the clip to hold in the wick. If you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button down below. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. It's just a goal of mine. I try to put out new videos every Wednesday. Something with crafts, organizing, cleaning, or even some shopping with me. A lot of people use double-sided stickers to stick the clip onto whatever you are working on, but I didn't have any of the stickers left, so I just used a little bit of hot glue just to make sure it stays to the wooden bowl. And then to make sure the wicks stay straight, I just used popsicle sticks. To fill up the wooden bowl, I had to use a full bag of the soy wax flakes. Gradually I added more and more, and then I would let some melt and add more. It was a 2-pound bag from Hobby Lobby. I went with a vanilla shortbread. It was also purchased from Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack of 4 with different scents, all in the vanilla cooking type of scents. I first started with a cupful of the scent, and then I added just a little bit more to make sure I could actually smell the vanilla, to which I did, and it smelled really good, very Christmassy. Now it's time to pour. Eventually, I'd like to get a better pan to melt candles in, something that actually has a spout. But I didn't do too bad. There's a little bit of leftover spillage, but it wasn't bad. It was the first round. It wasn't as high up into the bowl as I'd like, so we're going to go in for round 2 and melt a little bit more wax and see if we can get it closer to the top. Round 2, melting a little bit more of the wax. Probably going to finish up the bag, add a little bit more of the vanilla shortbread scent, and then pour the rest in to the wooden bowl, and hopefully it's enough. I let the candle sit for about 48 hours before messing with it again to add the trees and cut the wicks. These little trees I found at Joann's fabric store. They had a 4-pack of each, a 4-pack of the white and a 4-pack of the green. And then we are going to cut the wick just a little bit above where the soy wax starts. To get the trees to stay, you can either just use a lighter to melt the bottom of the trees a little bit and then stick them onto the candle, and then when they re-harden, they will harden onto your soy wax. Or you can lay out all your trees and then add like 1 inch of soy wax to your candle as a layer, and then it would mold the trees onto the new soy wax, which is probably the way I should have gone, but I didn't have any soy wax left, so you work with what you got. And here is the finished product. I think it turned out really well. I kind of want to make one for myself now. And maybe next year even make my own trees instead of finding them. Just make them out of my own candle wax. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys!